depends how you use it. I think if you use it correctly, it can really help society. But if you use it incorrectly or you don't understand it properly, it can actually be detrimental.
It's danger because it's a tool that you can use really well, but you can use for the bad things.
Yeah, we also do it every day. We use it even for GPS to schedule plans. It even help us with computers, like to fix a problem or make something like a backup, general stuff like that.
I would say it's more of a risk. I personally don't believe in using it very much. I'm still in school myself, so I feel like I'm seeing a lot of young people hit back against AI, but I'm also seeing a lot of young people embrace it. It's just a divide between my generation. In my class, personally, or classes, I see a lot of people using AI, but I also see a lot of people rejecting it and saying, being completely against it in all circumstances.